All right. My name's Steve Winfree, and you may have seen my wife and I in a video recently that went viral where my wife announced to me that she was donating her kidney to me by using a custom tossed baseball card. So I'm here in Knoxville, Tennessee, and wanted to come by Eddie Sports Treasures and bust open some brand new 2017 Allen and Ginter. So I want to thank you guys for having me, and let's get into it. It's my first break here. Let's see here. All right, looks like up top we've got a box topper. Let's see what we got here. Nice. All right, looks like we've got Clayton Kershaw. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, set this over here. All right, what I'll do is I'll go through the first few packs, and then I'll show you guys who haven't seen this product what the base looks like and things like that, and then we'll go a little bit quicker to get to the hits. All right, right off the bat. Okay, these look a little different. See, there's a little bit of a shine there to them. Wonder what's going on with that. That's how it rolled as Chapman. Looks like all of these look like that. Kinsler, Kepler. All right, here's one of the inserts. What a Day. It's by Kenta Maeda. That's one of their inserts you can get in this product. Here's the mini. We pulled a mini Benintendi rookie card. I like that. These are good. That's a good pull right there. And then again, as you can see, these don't look like the normal base. In the center, looks kind of like that.
May have a hot box if that was all the first pack.
Yeah, I'll take that. They're not numbered, but I will take that. All right, well, number 2. Same thing. You guys can see that shimmer in there. It's not, the normal base obviously doesn't have that. So maybe we have a hot box. Mookie Betts, Albert Pujols, Blake Snell, Jackie Bradley Jr., Joey Votto, insert What a Day. And here's where Allen and Ginter gets interesting. Here's a mini of the Paris Locks. And I know Heather absolutely loves Allen and Ginter because she likes the oddball stuff, the unique. But yeah, to finish off the pack, again, let me show that again. You can see they all look like a refractor of some sort. All right, let's see. One more here. Yep, again. Maybe we found ourselves a nice little hot box. Pence. I like that. Love this guy's story. Absolutely love his story. There we go. There's a Jeter. What a Day insert. Tyler Glasnow mini. Lopez, Stroman, and Olsen. Interesting. Yeah. All right. I'll go through them a little bit quicker to show you guys some of the other inserts and the hits that we get. Rosenthal, Trevor Story, NCRT. Okay, this is a World's Fair insert, and I've been told that the Sun Sphere here in Knoxville is on one of these cards, so I really would like to pull that. Oh, here we go. Love it.
Sweet.
That's my PC right there.
Oh, these are definitely hot box. They're hot box foils.
Oh, nice. So I've been told this is a hot box foil. Wonderful. I will take that. These are beautiful cards, by the way. Absolutely beautiful. I'll jump out of this chair. All right, I think we have our first hit. All right. Smiley Tomas, Verlander. World's Fair. Oh, nice. It's Allen and Ginter. Mike Piazza, numbered to 10. 2 out of 10.
Sweet.
We've got a mini behind that too.
Now this is the silk card.
Yep, behind that.
Oh, is that what that is? I can't tell if it was a relic or...
I've seen 2 of these hand numbered 1 of 1 in blue.
Oh, that's so cool.
So you want to check, make sure you look at the backs
Okay.
of those.
So what What's that one there?
I don't think those actually count as a hit. They're just a silk card. They're an insert. So
Even better. It's number 2 of 10, Mike
but
Piazza. I like
I
that.
don't think they count as one of the inserts. I could be wrong.
I will take that. All right, looks like we have another hit. All right, Vin Zobrist, Jorge Soler, Dansby Swanson, rookie. World's Fair. All right, we have an autograph. Not bad. Starling Marte.
Just got authorized to play again.
Is it numbered?
No.
Nice. All right, I'll take it. All right, let's keep going.
He just got
Oh.
off suspension.
Batista, Andre Dawson, Roger Clemens. Colors, Sano, Thompson. Tell you what, these cards are beautiful. If you hadn't had a chance to get some of these, and it's a fun rip too. There we go. Benintendi rookie. Carnation, Diaz. Corey Seager, what a day. Okay, these are neat. These are minis. They're called World's Dudes. So each one of these has a name or a particular type of person, followed by the word dude. And this is an Egyptian Sultan dude.
That's awesome.
I need to pull that judge if this is since this is a hot box like that. All right, Hooray. George. Crazy George. Greg Bird. Worth. Frank Thomas, what a day. There we go. Always a good day when you pull one of these guys.
Oh, well.
And Elvis Andrus, the black mini.
That's short form from the back.
Kirby Smart. Are you serious? Get that out of here. Fulmer. All right, here's another one of the inserts. This is called Sport Fish and Fishing Lures. Again, Allen and Ginter's known for having their weird. And Altuve. All right, looks like we got another hit. AJ Reed, Galarraga. All right. Josh Donaldson, relic. Oh, there we go. Nolan Ryan, mini. It's a good one. William Shatner, yeah, please. And these things, okay. Mini rant. This is a great product. This is an awesome product. Why Topps feels the need to put the rediscovered Topps in this box, I will never understand. I appreciate the effort, but I'm not a big fan of these. Thank you. Alex Bregman. He's having a good year. See, he might be hurt actually. And again, thank you Topps for allowing me to rediscover you in the most awesome way. Shea Hillenbrand. I'm really stoked about this hot box and so it's showing up as it's a hot box. I wonder what the odds are on one a case maybe.
I haven't seen
Ginter, Cotton, here, Dansby Swanson, Braves guy. So happy about that. All right. Oh, Pilot Dude.
For a nice new
Yeah.
That's what I love.
How did he get his own baseball card?
With a dog.
I'm still looking for that judge. Come on. I know you're in here somewhere. Oh, there's a good one. I'll take this one. He just got called up, what, yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Tanaka. Alright, this is a Yankees pack, but it's not the one I'm looking for. Batista. Mookie Betts, Manning. Darvish, Davis. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. And that's the front of it there. Interesting.
It's called required reading.
Interesting. Alright, looks like we got another hit. Brandon Phillips, Garrett, DeGrom, World's Fair. That's not the one I was looking for. Gregory Polanco, game used. And a Greg Olson rediscovered tops. That's about my second pirate I pulled. Kershaw. Another World's Fair Space Needle. All right. Right, Scherzer. All right, get down to the bottom here. Everybody loves this guy. Stephen A. Smith.
Not everybody.
It's true. All right, Aaron Judge, come on. All right, Seager, Winfree, Pillsbury. Ah, there we go. There we go.
Sweet.
That's what I was looking for. I knew he was hiding here somewhere. Who's that? Here's a Jake Arrieta What a Day insert. What a day it is because it's April 21st, which is my wedding anniversary.
Sweet.
I'll put some stuff. Pull Seager out. I was looking for that judge because it's the foil. All right. Gary. It's always Marquez. All right, we're down to our final three. Let's see if we can get. Look at that. Trees in India. I mean, were they just walking around and thought, that'd be a cool baseball card? And I've rediscovered tops again. God, my trees in India. It's not even a tree. That's a bunch of weeds on the ground. All right, DD. Hayward. Ooh. Covey Matson. We got a hit. Oh man, I just pulled my first 101.
What?
Just pulled my first
Are you
101.
serious?
I didn't even see who it is. Is that Lindor?
Lindor.
Is that Lindor?
Lindor printing plate.
Holy cow! I just pulled my first 101. Man, that is sick. It's a printing plate, a Francisco Lindor Magneta printing plate.
That's your first printing plate.
First printing plate.
That's awesome.